Wheel speed sensors are critical components in modern vehicles, providing essential data for ABS braking systems, traction control, and electronic stability programs. Modern vehicles primarily use two types of wheel speed sensors. Active sensors, including Hall effect and magnetoresistive types, require external power and produce digital signals. Here's how the Hall effect works. When a magnetic field passes near the Hall element, it creates a voltage difference that can be measured and converted into a digital signal. This voltage graph shows the digital square wave output from an active sensor as a wheel rotates. Notice the clean transitions between high and low voltage states. Legacy vehicles may still use passive inductive sensors. These generate AC voltage through electromagnetic induction and don't require external power, but their signal strength varies with wheel speed. A digital multimeter is essential for testing wheel speed sensors. It can measure resistance to check sensor coils, voltage to verify power supply and signals, and frequency to analyze sensor output. Before any electrical testing, always perform a thorough visual inspection. Check the sensor mounting, examine the wiring harness for damage, and inspect connectors for corrosion or loose connections. Understanding these sensor types and proper multimeter usage forms the foundation for effective wheel speed sensor diagnosis. This knowledge ensures accurate testing and reliable repairs.